Learn English from Mistakes with Benny Mook. Chapter 75. Professor South and Benny Mook work together to help you learn real English. Back to basics. 重新回歸基本功 Let's learn from scratch. Okay? Little luck. 風神小吉. Professor South, why do the following words have the same sounds and pronunciation in the middle? Like found, round, sound, pound, count, accounts, house, mountain, ground, noun, about, amount, shout, pronounce, lounge, loud, cloud, arouse, sour, hour, mouth, and flower. It's a great question because the spelling OU in above words, it is not a short vowel. 唔係短母音 okay? 唔係短元音 It's a diphthong, 雙元音雙母音 It's pronounced as ow, okay? It takes about 1.5 times longer to pronounce it. 比短母音多1.5倍時間發音 So lots of non-native speakers, they have problems in pronouncing it properly, correctly, and clearly. So pay more attention to it. And keep the sound of this IPA long and perfect. Question number 2. So the same diphthong, ow, is used in the middle of the foreign words with the letters OW in spelling. Is that right? Like down, town, cow, how, now, flower, shower, allow, brown, crowd, flower, power, bow, crown, and owl, etc. Exactly, little luck. Remember to make this IPA symbol, ow, 1.5 times longer than the other short vowels like and and E, etc. End of chapter 75. Many thanks for watching, for subscribing, and hitting the like button. See you in no time. Okay, thank you.